Hi, my name is Chef Stase and I will be responsible for one of the tracks during the EDID conference in Slovenia. The topic of the conference will be flipped classroom. And what is happening now, this is flipped classroom. I'm just using some technology. This is a swivel and it's an iPod Touch which is just following me when I'm doing this lecture. So there's nobody behind it. I put it on the internet and then the content is available for you. This in essence is flipped classroom. Teachers who are putting their content online, students can learn at home and come to school to practice. Results will be enormous. So, but what is happening today? And that's the topic of the conference. So what I'm going to do in this? Well, first let me introduce you to what is flipped classroom. Well, I call this switch 3D. We are living in a changing world. We are coming from 2D, two-dimensional, not so much information, to another world, 3D, a lot of information. So the information amount is increasing enormously. And the reason for that is information. But how come we can change information so fast or exchange information so fast? It's because of technology. And information, by using technology, is changing the world. But in order to adapt, we have to go to 3D education or 3D schools. And in order to build these 3D schools, they have to embrace technology and create another culture. And flipped classroom is part of this change process. So flipped classroom is another way in organizing classrooms, in interaction with students. And so we are going through a very dramatic innovation process. So we have to go from 2D schools to 3D schools by, for instance, introducing flipped classrooms. So we have to innovate. And this innovation process is going to be very dramatic because we will have a lot of resistance to change. But on the other side, we will have also a lot of opportunities. So there are 4 stakeholders in this process. First of all, we have the students. Students have to embrace flipped classroom, but for students, they are already there. They are using social media, they are using the latest technology. So it's not, the problem isn't the students. The problem is the teachers. Because a lot of teachers don't know so much about social media as students do. So these 2 stakeholders have to embrace flipped classroom. There are 2 other tracks. But in order to make students and teachers embrace this change, go to flipped classroom, we need to adapt in management. And this is school management. And this will be the track I will be responsible for. It's about what needs to be changed in management of schools in order to make a switch 3D and introduce flipped classroom in schools. So, and if students adapt and teachers adapt and management adapts, so these 2 parties have the possibility and the freedom to go to flipped classroom, then the world will change. And this is the conclusion of the conference. So, what I will do now is I will address to 3D management. And what is 3D management? Well, we'll have 3 workshops. The first workshop is management has to manage the teachers and teachers have to manage the students. So what management should know is learning because teachers have to adapt themselves, so teachers have to start learning again. And in order that everybody has the same understanding about learning, I will introduce what I call Chef's Law. It's a completely different metaphor and for learning. It will handle deep learning, but it will not so only talk about learning, but what can you do to enhance the learning power of teachers and organizations. So this will be the first part. The second part is Red Monkey Innovation Management. It will address one of the most challenging topics today. How can you involve in an organization where there are conflicts about change? People will have resistance or people will see it as an opportunity. It will be conflicts. So Red Monkey Innovation Management will give you an insight about what can you do in order to innovate. And the third topic is you can't do Red Monkey Innovation Management if managers doesn't adapt. So I will go into address the topic about 3D management and what competences managers should have today in order to succeed in Red Monkey Innovation Management. So that's it. My track will be about management, addressing these 3 topics because it's one of the stakeholders. If all the stakeholders don't change, adapt to this new environment. We can't do flipped classroom, and flipped classroom is needed to adapt to this new time frame. So this ends my very small introduction. I'm really looking forward to meet you all at the EDID conference in Slovenia about flipped classroom. I just put my recording system off, and I think it's this button.